I recently stayed at a homestay in Myeongdong, South Korea, and it turned out to be a great choice. Right from the start, I noticed how unique it felt. The lobby is on B2 level, which was a bit unusual, but once inside, it was clean and welcoming, and the staff were really friendly. The location couldn't be better. You're just a short walk to Chungmuro Station, so it's super easy to get around Seoul. Myeongdong's shops, street food, and cafes are right nearby too. I loved stepping out and instantly feeling part of the city. Everything I needed was within minutes, and it made exploring so convenient. The room was small but spotless and modern. What stood out was how high-tech everything was. It actually took us almost a full day to figure out how to work things like the air conditioning and bathroom light. But once we did, it felt fun and futuristic. The small kitchenette was handy for simple meals, and the washer-dryer was a real bonus. I could pack light and do laundry easily. There were a few small downsides. The space felt a bit tight with our bags, and the walls were thin, so I could sometimes hear people in the hallway. The elevator also got slow at busy times. But these were minor things that didn't spoil the experience. One of my favorite parts was the view. Seeing Namsan Tower glowing at night was such a nice touch. The host was also fantastic, kind, helpful, and always ready with local tips. I'd happily stay here again. It's a clean, convenient spot that really lets you enjoy Seoul.